Hello, I'm Dr. Alan Martinez from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. Many patients are surprised to learn that dental implants are not only available in titanium. We also offer zirconia dental implants, a metal-free alternative that can provide excellent aesthetics and long-term function. Zirconia implants are made from a strong ceramic material that naturally blends with the color of the surrounding teeth and gums. Because they are white rather than metallic, they can be especially attractive for patients who are concerned about aesthetics in highly visible areas of the smile. Some patients also prefer zirconia because it is completely metal-free and highly biocompatible with the body's tissues. However, every patient is different. Titanium implants remain an excellent option for many situations, and the best choice depends on your anatomy, treatment goals, and overall dental health. During your consultation, we will evaluate your case and help you decide whether zirconia or titanium implants are the right solution for you. If you are considering dental implants in Tijuana, we invite you to contact Dr. Mexico Dental Group to learn more about your options. We look forward to helping you restore your smile